Push-ups for upper body strength. A comprehensive step-by-step guide. Welcome to Push-Up Fitness Hub. Today we will guide you through a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial on push-ups for upper body strength. Push-ups are an excellent exercise for building strength and toning your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. They also improve your posture, stability, and endurance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this guide will help you master the technique and get the most out of your push-up workouts. But push-ups are not easy. They require good form, technique, and strength. Many people struggle with push-ups or avoid them altogether because they think they are too hard or they are doing them wrong. That's why in this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about push-ups, including the benefits of push-ups, the proper form and technique of push-ups, the common mistakes, and how to avoid them, the different variations of push-ups for different levels and goals, the tips and tricks to make push-ups easier or harder, the challenges and routines to test and improve your push-up skills. By the end of this video, you will be able to do push-ups with confidence and enjoy the amazing results they can bring to your upper body strength and fitness. But before we dive into this amazing world of push-up, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you of our latest video post. So let's get started. The benefits of push-ups. Push-ups are not only a great way to build upper body strength and endurance, they are also a good way to test that strength and endurance. The push-up test is a basic fitness test used by coaches, trainers, and athletes to assess upper body fitness and monitor progress during strength and fitness training. What are the specific benefits of push-ups? Here are some of them. Push-ups work multiple muscles at once. This means that push-ups can help you develop a balanced and symmetrical physique, as well as prevent muscle imbalances and injuries. Push-ups improve your posture and stability. Push-ups also strengthen your core muscles, which are responsible for stabilizing your spine and pelvis 3. A strong core can help you prevent lower back pain, improve your balance and coordination, and enhance your athletic performance. Push-ups increase your metabolic rate. Push-ups are an intense exercise that can raise your heart rate and burn calories. This means that you will continue to burn calories even after you finish your workout, as your body repairs the muscle tissue that was damaged during the exercise. Push-ups are versatile and adaptable. You don't need any equipment or a lot of space to do push-ups. You can also modify push-ups to suit your level of fitness, your goals, or your preferences. There are many variations of push-ups that can target different muscles, challenge different aspects of fitness, or add some fun and variety to your workout. As you can see, push-ups have many benefits that can improve your overall health and fitness. But how do you do them correctly? Let's find out in the next section. The proper form and technique of push-ups. The proper form and technique of push-ups are essential for getting the most out of this exercise. If you do push-ups with poor form or technique, you will not only reduce the effectiveness of the exercise, but also increase the risk of injury. So how do you do push-ups with proper form and technique? Here are the steps to follow. Start in a high plank position, with your hands shoulder-width apart, or a little bit wider on the floor. Your fingers should be splayed, with your middle fingers pointing toward 12 o'clock. Your wrists should be directly under your shoulders, and your arms should be straight but not locked. Your feet should be together or slightly apart, depending on your preference. Engage your core muscles and squeeze your glutes to keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Don't let your hips sag or pike up. Don't let your head drop or crane up. Keep your neck neutral and your eyes focused on a spot on the floor about a foot in front of your hands. Inhale as you bend your elbows and lower your chest toward the floor. Your elbows should be at about a 45-degree angle to your body, not flared out to the sides or tucked in too close. Your shoulders should stay away from your ears and in line with your elbows. Lower yourself until your chest or chin touches the floor, or as low as you can go without compromising your form. Exhale as you press yourself back up to the starting position. Think about pushing away the floor and keeping your core tight. Extend your elbows fully, but don't lock them out. That's 1 rep. Repeat for as many reps as you can, or as prescribed by your workout plan. Keep your form and technique consistent throughout the set. Don't sacrifice quality for quantity. That's how you do push-ups with proper form and technique. But what are some of the common mistakes that people make when doing push-ups? And how can you avoid them? Let's find out in the next section. The common mistakes and how to avoid them. Push-ups are not easy, and many people make mistakes when doing them. These mistakes can reduce the effectiveness of the exercise, cause pain or discomfort, or lead to injury. Here are some of the common mistakes and how to avoid them. Flaring your elbows out to the sides. This can put excessive stress on your shoulders and rotator cuffs and reduce the activation of your chest and triceps muscles. To avoid this mistake, keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle to your body, or slightly closer if that feels more comfortable for you. Sagging or piking your hips. This can compromise your spinal alignment and core stability and make the exercise easier or harder than it should be. To avoid this mistake, engage your core muscles and squeeze your glutes to keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Dropping or craning your head. This can cause neck strain and affect your breathing and focus. To avoid this mistake, keep your neck neutral and your eyes focused on a spot on the floor about a foot in front of your hands. Going too fast or too slow. This can affect your rhythm, breathing, and muscle tension. To avoid this mistake, find a pace that works for you and allows you to maintain good form and technique throughout the set. A general guideline is to lower yourself for 2 seconds and press yourself up for 1 second, stopping before reaching full range of motion. This can limit the benefits of the exercise and create muscle imbalances. To avoid this mistake, lower yourself until your chest or chin touches the floor, or as low as you can go without compromising your form. Then press yourself up until your arms are fully extended, but not locked out. These are some of the common mistakes that people make when doing push-ups, and how to avoid them. By correcting these mistakes, you will be able to do push-ups more effectively and safely. But what if you find push-ups too easy or too hard? How can you modify them to suit your level of fitness or challenge yourself more? Let's find out in the next section. The different variations of push-ups for different levels and goals. Warm-up exercises. Start with 5 minutes of light cardiovascular activity, such as jogging in place or jumping jacks, to increase your heart rate. Next, perform dynamic stretches targeting your upper body, such as arm circles, shoulder rolls, and chest openers. Spend a few minutes on wrist stretches to ensure your wrists are flexible and ready for the push-up position. Push-ups are versatile and adaptable exercise that can be modified to suit different levels of fitness or challenge different aspects of fitness. There are many variations of push-ups that can target different muscles, increase or decrease the difficulty, or add some fun and variety to your workout. Here are some of the different variations of push-ups for different levels and goals. Knee push-ups. This is a beginner-friendly variation that reduces the load on your upper body by placing your knees on the floor instead of your feet. This allows you to focus on learning the proper form and technique of push-ups without straining yourself too much. To do knee push-ups, follow the same steps as regular push-ups, but place your knees on the floor and cross your ankles. Keep your body in a straight line from your knees to your head. Don't let your hips sag or pike up. Lower yourself until your chest or chin touches the floor, or as low as you can go without compromising your form. Then press yourself up until your arms are fully extended, but not locked out. That's 1 rep. Incline push-ups. Once you're comfortable with modified push-ups, you can progress to incline push-ups, which decrease the intensity. Find an elevated surface, such as a bench or sturdy table, and place your hands on it. Position your body at an angle, ensuring your hands are slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body towards the surface, maintaining a straight line from head to heels. Push back up to the starting position, focusing on controlled movements. As you become more proficient, gradually decrease the height of the surface to increase the challenge. Diamond push-ups. This is an advanced variation that increases the difficulty and targets the triceps more than the chest. To do diamond push-ups, follow the same steps as regular push-ups, but place your hands close together under your chest, forming a diamond shape with your index fingers and thumbs. Your elbows should be tucked in close to your body as you lower and raise yourself. This variation requires more strength and stability in your arms and core. Wide grip push-ups. Wide grip push-ups primarily target your chest muscles and provide an additional challenge. Position your hands wider than shoulder width apart, maintaining the same push-up form. Lower your body while keeping your elbows slightly flared out to the sides. Push back up, focusing on controlled movements and engaging your chest muscles. Wide grip push-ups help enhance chest development and improve overall upper body strength. Pike push-ups. This is another advanced variation that increases the difficulty and targets the shoulders more than the chest. To do pike push-ups, follow the same steps as regular push-ups, but place your feet closer to your hands, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Your hips should be high in the air, and your legs should be straight or slightly bent. Your head should be between your arms as you lower and raise yourself. This variation requires more strength and mobility in your shoulders and upper back. Plank push-ups. This is a challenging variation that combines push-ups with planks, working both your upper body and core muscles. To do plank push-ups, start in a high plank position, with your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor. Then lower yourself onto your right forearm, followed by your left forearm, keeping your body in a straight line. You are now in a low plank position. Then press yourself back up onto your right hand, followed by your left hand, returning to a high plank position. That's 1 rep. You can alternate the leading arm for each rep to work both sides equally. These are some of the different variations of push-ups for different levels and goals. You can try them out and see which ones work best for you and your fitness level. But how many push-ups should you do per day? And how can you measure and improve your push-up skills? Let's find out in the next section. The tips and tricks to make push-ups. Easier or harder push-ups are an exercise that can be adapted to suit your level of fitness or challenge yourself more. There are many tips and tricks that you can use to make push-ups easier or harder, depending on your goals and preferences. Here are some of the tips and tricks to make push-ups easier or harder. Adjust your hand position. The position of your hands can affect the difficulty and the muscle activation of push-ups. In general, the closer your hands are to each other, the harder the push-ups will be and the more they will target your triceps. The wider your hands are from each other, the easier the push-ups will be, and the more they will target your chest. You can also place your hands higher or lower than your shoulders to change the angle and the focus of the push-ups. Adjust your feet position. The position of your feet can also affect the difficulty and stability of push-ups. In general, the closer your feet are to each other, the harder the push-ups will be, and the more they will challenge your core stability. The wider your feet are from each other, the easier the push-ups will be, and the more they will provide a stable base. You can also elevate or lower your feet to change the angle and the intensity of the push-ups. Use a resistance band. A resistance band is a simple and effective tool that you can use to add some extra challenge and variety to your push-ups. You can loop a resistance band around your back and under your hands to create some tension and resistance as you lower and raise yourself. This will make the push-ups harder and increase the muscle activation in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. You can use different types of resistance bands with different levels of resistance to suit your fitness level and goals. Use a stability ball. A stability ball is another useful tool that you can use to add some instability and fun to your push-ups. You can place a stability ball under your hands or under your feet to create an unstable surface that will challenge your balance and core stability as you lower and raise yourself. This will make the push-ups harder and increase the muscle activation in your core, as well as in your upper body. You can use different sizes of stability balls with different levels of inflation to suit your fitness level and preferences. Listen to your body and progress at your own pace. Don't rush into advanced variations if you haven't mastered the basics. Consistency is key. Aim to incorporate push-up exercises into your workout routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. If you experience any pain or discomfort during push-ups, consult with a fitness professional or healthcare provider to ensure proper form and technique. Stay hydrated throughout your workout to maintain optimal performance and aid in muscle recovery. Remember to pair your push-up training with a well-balanced diet to support muscle growth and overall health. These are some of the tips and tricks to make push-ups easier or harder. You can experiment with them and see how they affect your push-up performance and experience. But how can you measure and improve your push-up skills? How can you track your progress and set your goals? Let's find out in the next section. The challenges and routines to test and improve your push-up skills. Push-ups are an exercise that can be used to test and improve your upper body strength and endurance. There are many challenges and routines that you can try to measure and improve your push-up skills, as well as to have some fun and motivation. Here are some of the challenges and routines to test and improve your push-up skills. The push-up test. This is a simple and classic way to measure your upper body strength and endurance. The push-up test involves doing as many push-ups as you can in a given time, or until failure while maintaining good form and technique. You can use different variations of push-ups, such as regular, knee, or diamond, depending on your fitness level and goals. You can also use different time intervals, such as 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes, depending on your preference. You can do the push-up test periodically, such as once a week or once a month, to track your progress and see how much you have improved over time. The push-up challenge. This is a fun and motivating way to improve your push-up skills and endurance. The push-up challenge involves doing a certain number of push-ups every day for a certain period of time, such as 30 days or 100 days. You can start with a low number of push-ups, such as 10 or 20, and gradually increase the number by 1 or 2 every day until you reach your target number, such as 50 or 100. You can also use different variations of push-ups, such as regular, knee, or diamond, depending on your fitness level and goals. You can do the push-up challenge with a friend or a group of people to make it more fun and competitive. The push-up routine. This is a structured and effective way to improve your push-up skills and strength. The push-up routine involves doing a set of push-ups with a specific number of reps and rest periods, followed by another set of push-ups with a different number of reps and rest periods, and so on. You can use different variations of push-ups, such as regular, knee, or diamond, depending on your fitness level and goals. You can do the push-up routine as part of your regular workout program or as a standalone workout. These are some of the challenges and routines to test and improve your push-up skills. You can try them out and see how they help you achieve your fitness goals. Push-ups are an amazing exercise that can help you build upper body strength and endurance, as well as improve your posture, stability, and metabolic rate. They are also versatile and adaptable, and can be modified to suit different levels of fitness or challenge different aspects of fitness. In this video, I have shown you how to do push-ups with proper form and technique, how to avoid common mistakes, how to make push-ups easier or harder, and how to test and improve your push-up skills with challenges and routines. After your push-up workout, it's essential to cool down and stretch your muscles to aid in their recovery and prevent muscle tightness. Perform gentle stretching exercises for your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, and remember to breathe deeply and relax into each stretch. Focus on maintaining good posture and alignment while stretching. Cooling down and stretching after your push-up session will help reduce muscle soreness and promote flexibility. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new and useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fitness videos. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think of push-ups and what other topics you would like me to cover in the future. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Stay fit and healthy.